is the thing. I got my hard disk replaced on last Saturday.
From where?
Here only.
Okay.
And this is a 1 TB disk. It's or some company there, or I can't
I
remember.
think check it. No, laptop. Yeah, Toshiba only. I think check it. Yeah, Seagate. Toshiba or Seagate maybe.
Not Toshiba Seagate, some Itzy or something.
That is Hitachi. Hitachi. Sorry, Hitachi.
Huh?
Hitachi.
So this is Dell Authorized Service Center.
But Hitachi only come na. Dell doesn't make.
No, I have a problem because I found out that this is not a Dell Authorized Service Center. Do you have the certification?
Yeah, we have.
Can you just show me?
But it's not. You have to go to Malaysia. Sorry, Marathon.
Is it Dell Authorized Service Center?
Dealers.
Dealers, I am not talking about dealers, service center.
No, it's a non-warranty one. They will refer here only. If suppose non-warranty service center, they will.
You meant to say if I call to Dell customer care, they will refer to here only?
Yeah. It's a non-warranty period laptop, they will refer here. You
Is
can
it-
check it the website na.
I have checked the website, that's the reason.
That's right.
That's the dellservicecenter.com or some .in something you have, the domain got
I don't know,
purchased.
you have to check the website only, sir.
No, because
From
Dell
where you get the number?
website only.
Website only, you have to check the website only.
But that is not the Dell site I am trying to say.
Direct Dell have so many authorization na. Dell doesn't have own na.
I called the Dell service center and they said this is not an authorized center.
Authorized warranty period, you won't do that.
This is not within, I am not talking about the warranty, forget the warranty part. I came on Saturday and one lady was over there and I asked whether this is a Dell Authorized Service Center. She confirmed that it is Dell Authorized Service Center and he had my hard disk replaced.
Okay.
And I called Dell Service Center and they told me this is not an authorized service center, it is just another service center.
Okay.
Across the Bangalore there are 4 laptop repair centers. So this is not Dell Authorized Service Center, right?
Right.
So you are lying to me and that lady also lied to me.
I didn't tell you any line.
You just said, is it?
Listen. What I told? It's authorization or Dell dealer. I told now.
You said Dell Authorized Service Center.
Non-warranty. You have again same questions.
Forget the warranty or not. I'm talking about that.
Suppose it's a laptop is under warranty. We have a customer care number. We will refer there.
So
Okay, listen. Suppose it's a warranty period. Suppose it's a non-warranty period. You can call to customer care. They will refer here.
If I call to Dell customer care, they will refer here.
Because it's a non-warranty.
I called Dell customer care center and they told this is not an authorized center.
I don't know what they told, but some customer they will refer here, or else you can check with the website now. Or else you can check with the website.
Website Dell Service Center is nothing to do with Dell. You have purchased a domain name of cheating the customers, right?
First you go check with the website and just see. They mention the number here only or not?
No, they haven't. That's the reason.
From where you get the number?
There is a site called dellservicecenter.com and that is nothing to do with Dell. That is just to fool customers.
But we'll do only the non-warranty service. That's it.
Is it a Dell Authorized Service Center? Yes or no? Just give me the complete answer. No, right? And you said just a while back it's yes.
Again, same question. What I told. Again, authorized dealers. Again you.
Dealers, forget about dealers. There are thousands of dealers are in Dell. You said the Authorized Service Center.
Again, authorized dealer. Again, same question. Why you telling? Why should I have to tell you like that? What I told you. Authorized dealer.
And you said if I call Dell.
Listen, whatever the parts you purchase from our side, we'll give the genuine part. That's it. Dell, display panel, cable, whatever. That's the reason.
Whatever the parts you have given, Dell doesn't have to do with anything because I called Dell and they said they don't recommend the hard disks whatever I have been replaced.
Hard disk, Dell doesn't make any hard disk. You can check it.
See, if I call to Dell Service Center, they will give me the whatever the hard disk is. They will come to Malaysia and all this stuff, and that will take 3 to 4 weeks.
This process, whatever.
See, listen to me. And I called Dell Service Center, and they said I give your number that Malaysia and Jabinagar. And they said this is not our authorized service center. They are just another service center. Thousands of there across. You are just another laptop store.
Maybe.
It's not maybe. You should know that.
I don't know about this. Maybe so much is there. Na? This telling.
But
maybe.
The problem is you are claiming it's Dell Authorized Service Center.
Again, who told me? Told you?
Yeah, just now you told me.
Again, same. What I told. Authorized dealer. I am telling you again. Same question you are repeating.
I am not talking about dealer. Anyone is selling the Dell laptop.
Then if you purchase any part from our side, Dell will give the genuine part. Na? Dell only.
Does that mean the authorized service center?
Dealers again, authorized not service center again. Same
Then why
question.
you said that it's a service center and why the lady said that?
The lady maybe by mistake she told, but
Then who will be the sufferer? By mistake, if you guys do mistakes, who will be the sufferer?
from where you get the number?
Site only.
You should have to check and read properly, na.
I mean, I don't care. See, whatever the site is, forget about the sir. Where I get the number.
Okay, leave it that matter. So right now, what do you want?
I just want to remove that hard disk
Okay.
and get my money back.
Wait, you have to wait. We'll give you a number here. Check with the market.
I am not going anywhere. I am
not responsible for that. Na.
Who is responsible for
you
that?
You have to check that guy. They will refund. It's a long process, na. You have to check.
You are cheating the customer. That is the right process.
Okay, you are okay, na. So you have to check this.
I am not going anywhere. You call whomsoever you want. Okay.
Okay,
And I just want to get my hard disk out of it and I want my money back.
So it will take time. You can come tomorrow, na.
I am not leaving my laptop.
Madam is not here, na. She only the responsible for this thing, na. She will
So
come
who
maybe
will
tomorrow.
take care of the studio's customer?
Tomorrow she will come, na.
You
have to
call her and just ask her to come
She
here.
is
And
not here, na. She is went for native.
I don't care.
Tomorrow she will come, na.
I don't care where she is. You are responsible. I come to laptop store. Whomsoever is representing laptop store, they are responsible to get it done.
Okay, you have to wait, na. She
I am
will come
waiting, no
tomorrow.
issues.
Okay,
I am
you
not.
can leave the laptop, na. No issue.
I am not leaving the laptop. This is an authorized store.
Okay, take it tomorrow. You
Okay.
can come and take it.
No, I can come each and every day, right?
Not here, na. Who will give?
You will give.
Again,
I have the
am
bill
not
and all these stuffs.
Okay, I am not responsible for that, na. Again, why you asking me?
If you are not responsible, why are you holding the chair? Why you are sitting over here?
That is a different thing, but how can I give it to money, na? It's a long process, yeah. Wait, she will come
What she have
tomorrow.
done, you can do is as well, right? She have taken the money and the money is not going to your account or her account. It's to laptop store account.
Correct. So that's why from where I have to give money. From
You don't
where?
have any cash over here.
It's not. Yeah.
You don't-
I'm not the right person. Na. How can I give it to cash? Yeah.
So who is the right person to take the cash from the customer right
that's
now?
why she is not here, na.
I forget about her.
I am asking return.
Listen to me. Forget about her.
Okay.
Who is responsible right now to
Okay.
taking the money from the customer right now?
I am taking care. But
If,
return,
if all those people are giving money, you will call those that madam to come and collect the money.
return. How this is possible? Return. How can
I have the bill, so you have to return. I don't care who she or
okay,
he.
she will come, na.
I am not coming tomorrow. I have to get it done today itself because this is simply cheating, and I have
Okay.
checked with it, and I have the call backer and all these stuffs. Okay,
Okay, no issue. You can go anywhere, but how can I do that?
you have to do that. I
wait.
don't know. Call your manager or whatsoever. Who is the responsible for your call him.
Okay, you can call, na.